Another question that we frequently get is, my soil is bad and how do I improve it? The main thing about improving soil is adding nutrients. You can get nutrients to your soil in multiple different ways. One of the ways could typically be sourcing manure from a local farm. Another way you could get nutrients is to make your own compost in your backyard, so compost your kitchen scraps. You can contact your gardening center and they will have many soil amendments available. Sometimes if you're growing in pots or if you're growing in a small space, you could purchase a liquid fertilizer that you can add to your water, and when you're watering your plants, that would add the nutrients necessary for your plants to thrive. As an organic farmer, often what we say is that we don't grow plants, we grow soil.